In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your PayPal profile picture. We'll walk through this together step by step so that by the end, your PayPal account has a fresh, updated photo that represents you or your brand. This process is quick and simple, and you can follow along on a computer using any modern web browser. First, open your browser and go to your PayPal dashboard. You can do this by typing in the PayPal website address and logging in with your account details if you aren't already signed in. Once you're logged in, you should land on your main account summary page. This is the page that shows your balance, recent activity, and any linked cards or bank accounts. Next, look towards the top right-hand corner of the page for a small gear icon. This is the settings button. Click on that gear icon to open your account settings. The settings area is where you manage your personal information, security options, and of course, your profile picture. On the settings page, you'll see your current profile details, including your name and your existing profile image if you already have one. Move your mouse over the profile picture area and look for a small pen icon or edit icon sitting on or near the profile image. Click on this pen icon. This tells PayPal that you want to edit or change your profile picture. A new window or panel will appear, giving you options related to your photo. Here, click on the button that says Choose a New Photo. When you select this option, your computer's file browser will open so you can pick an image from your device. Now, navigate to the folder where your desired photo is saved. Choose a clear, high-quality image that represents you well. Ideally, use a photo where your face is centered and well lit. Once you've found the image you want, click on it to select it, and then confirm your choice in the file browser. This will upload the image to PayPal. After the image uploads, PayPal may show you a preview of how the picture will look. Take a moment to check that it's not cut off in a strange way and that you're happy with how it appears. If everything looks good, click on Use this photo to save your changes. Your PayPal profile picture will now be updated, and you should see the new photo displayed in your account settings and anywhere else your profile image appears.